Hey everyone! So I had some paints left over from a wing pour, which you will be seeing, I'm sure, or have seen. So I'm going to go ahead and just use up these paints and just do a ring pour. I'll start with a little bit of white and some black, some copper, a little bit more black, some white, some black. These are all Creative Inspiration colors. And these are mixed with the Creative Inspirations polymer medium and varnish because I was using them for a Dutch pour, and then of course the wing pour. I'm kind of experimenting with this to see if it cracks because it is a varnish. Oops. A little more white. That's going to be the end of the black. And finish with copper. Nothing like using up paint. All right. We're just going to wing it. Wing the ring. We have plenty of paint here. I'm just going to let it go and let it do its thing. And we got cells. No Floetrol, no silicone, and we still got cells. That's the white for you. Okay, let this move on out here. We've got lots of paint to play with. We can take it right off the edges. I don't want to lose all that copper. And that's going to be it. So that's kind of a pretty groovy little ring pour with leftover paints. Don't waste them, guys. Use them up. Paint's expensive, as well as your pouring mediums and stuff, so you want to make use of everything you own. Alright, I'll give that a torch. Just amazes me how you get cells. There is absolutely no silicone in any of that. None of it. And look at the cells. And they divot like a cell, like silicone cells. So our paint mixing videos are down below the video. There's 2 links there. One is for paint pouring mix and one is for the base coat. We also have our Amazon shop link below if you need to get paint pouring supplies, and our Etsy link too. So subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that bell so you'll get notifications when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. This is really cool. I really like it. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse, and also check out my art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. Also, our fan mail, post office box address is below, and our PayPal link if you want to donate to the channel. We do a sponsored giveaway every quarter. Our next drawing is July 1st. We have amazing prizes for that. And also our 75,000 subscriber giveaway is coming up. And check out my husband's channel too, Alan Welch. He's the Gadget Man. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern right here at this channel. And we hope to see you there. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.